Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. So today we are going to discuss 10 important chemistry concept and questions for a score and JEE preparation. So welcome you all to this beautiful channel, and today we are going to discuss a lot of good concept along with questions. Okay, and this will help you to crack this exam and JEE preparation all both. Okay, so status, hi, how are you? So just wait for a few minutes, then we will start discussing questions. Okay, and this, if you will crack this exam now, you will get a lot of rewards. Okay, so today we are take my name Vaibhav. Okay Vaibhav, I will remember. Okay, so how are you Vaibhav? Please tell me your class, in which class? Okay, so before moving to the question part, first we will share some information. Everyone know this is score exam, so go on the www.srichaitanyascore.com and please register for this exam, because okay, just okay, no problem. Status Vaibhav, sorry. Okay, so you will get chance to win 2.5 crore cash reward. Okay, 350 crores of a scholarship, NASA trip, exciting gadgets, and up to 100% scholarship in various courses. Okay, so this exams brings a lot of opportunity that will gives you a lot of confidence for your JEE preparation. Okay, so Vaibhav, you are in JEE. Okay, so you are preparing for JEE now. Okay, so now we will move to the next part. So today we are going to discuss good questions and concept that is very important for your JEE preparation along with to crack this exam. So ready Vaibhav? My audio and video all clear? Okay, so just you came from school, so hardworking student. Okay, and because in very less time you have joined some session to learn something new. So let's start. Okay, and meanwhile in between the session we will discuss a lot of new thing also. Okay, Vaibhav, my audio and video is clear now? Okay, so get ready for it. Okay, so because I have shared you the score examination and importance of it, and you can refer this exam for all the students, those who belongs to the class 3 to class 11th. Okay, every student can appear in this exam and they have opportunity to win a lot of rewards. Let's start. So first question I am asking this, and after this I will teach you a very good concept and a short trick also. Please, status, Vaibhav, among the following correct order of acidity. So you have to give order of acidity in this question. This question is very popular. Okay, everyone know this answer, but on the basis of this, I will tell you one very fantastic concept. Please. So Vaibhav, and please everyone like and share the session. Okay, so tell me everyone, what should be the right answer? So this is very easy question, and I have taken this question because this question is very popular in all examination. You will find this question. So technically this is oxo acid. Okay, this is oxo acid. Okay, so oxo acid, central atom attached with O and O is attached with H. Okay, so this is the basics of any oxo acid. So tell me which oxo acid has higher acidic strength. Okay, just tell me. Vaibhav, have you seen this question? No problem, I will tell you. And many everywhere if you will search about this question, they will have you will get a same kind of logic, but I will ask another question on the basis of this logic, and then I will teach you very good concept. Tell me everyone, and those who are new to the lecture, please like and share the session. Should we start? Okay, so this question is very simple. I have asked this question just to make a base. Okay, let's see. If I will go for HClO4, okay, then HClO3, okay, then HClO2, then HClO. Okay everyone, if I will go for oxidation state, this is +7, this is +5, +3, and this is +1. So one theory that is taught to maximum student, if oxidation state is higher, it's, you know, electronegativity is higher. So in this case, more the oxidation state, high is the high is the acidic order. So maximum people answer D. Okay, and this is good also. This is the right answer. Okay, so on the basis of this, I am going to ask one more question, and then I will teach you a very good concept. Okay, Baba, this is clear. So this is perchloric acid, this is chloric acid, this is chlorous acid, and this is hypochlorous acid. Okay, so this is the name of this. Okay, now I am asking one more question. So tell me the acidic strength of S3PO4, then S3PO3, then S3PO2. Everyone, Baba, please answer. So if I will go for oxidation state, when people start this question, start solving, they answer like this. So sir, this is +5, this is +3, and this is +1. So according to that logic, many people learn this concept in this way, and they tell answer in this way. Okay. Okay, but you know, this answer is wrong. This answer is wrong. So, okay, in science there is no exception, but now we will take some another theory to explain this. But there I will tell you a very interesting shortcut that will always help you to answer all type of oxo acid. So really excited, Baba? So don't worry. I will tell you one shortcut theory that will give answer of this question also and this question also. So there is no exception. There is no rule for that case, no rule for that case. So I will give you only one rule that is valid for every type of oxo acid. Okay, so let's start the concept. Let's start the concept. Okay, everyone. Okay, so we are going to discuss acidic strength of oxo acid. Okay, so drop your pen, just listen. So this is acidic strength of, so this is acidic strength of oxo acid. Okay, so I will first draw the structure of all the acids. So first structure what we have seen, this is HClO4, then this is HClO3, okay, then this is HClO2, and this is HClO. Okay, so just see the structure of it. So this is Cl, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and this is OH. Okay, this is the one of the fantastic concept. Okay, OH. This is Cl double bond O, this is OH, and this is ClOH. Okay, everyone. Now, what was the question where maximum student committed mistake? So that was S3PO4, phosphoric. Okay, so structure is P double bond O, this is OH, OH, and this is OH. Now this is S3PO3. So structure is P double bond O, OH, this is OH, and there is H. Now this is S3PO2. So this is P double bond O, this is H, this is H, and there is OH. All okay? Now, so my dear friend, I told you, so in this case central atom is Cl, in this case central atom is P. Okay, all clear? Okay, everyone, Vaibhav and those people, if you will watch recording, so try to give answer by after pausing the video, and let's match the answer. So I will find a ratio. So I will find a ratio of X double bond O and X single bond OH. I will count the number. Okay, I will count the number. Okay, everyone. So what is X central atom? In this, so Cl double bond O, there is 3 and OH bond is 1. So in this case, this ratio is 3:1, 3. Okay, 2:1, 2. In this case, 1:1, 1. This case, 0:1, 0. Am I right? I hope there is no issue. Okay, what is meaning of X double bond O? Number of double bond central atom making with oxygen. We are counting the number. So in this case, 3 is the number. And central atom and then OH bond. Okay, single bond. So number is 1. So this is 3:1, 0. And in this case, there is only one double bond and 3 OH bond. In this case, there is 1 and 2 OH bond. In this case, there is 1 and divided by 1. Is it okay? So this is 1. So now let's see in which case ratio is higher. So 3 is greater than 2, greater than 1, greater than 0. But in this case, this ratio is reversed. Now, so from today, just remember it. In oxo acid, if with central atom, the double bond with oxygen divided by central atom single bond with OH, number is higher, that is the stronger acid. Okay, so in this case, this is the order. Okay, this is the order, and in this case, this will become the order. So how was it? So this will this is the trick, and you will never commit mistake in any oxo acid problem questions. All okay, everyone? Any problem? So one of the finest trick. Okay, people enjoy it. Vaibhav, all okay? So one of the coolest question, because many people just mug up this concept, and on the basis of this question, I have seen many times they commit mistake in this. Okay, so now your answer is reversed and you got the logic. Okay, and there is no specific logic. I have used the same thing for the both the questions. All okay, everyone? Okay. So oxo acid means any acid that central atom has single bond with OH. That must contain, that is the oxo acid. Okay, HFHCl are hydro acids. Okay, so along with concept, I will give you a good tricks also. So let's come to the second question. Okay, everyone. So I will come back on this question. First of all, we will move to the very interesting question on this. Then I will come back to this. Please answer, because you know this question from your junior classes. Okay, so please give me the logic. Arrange following salts according to their decreasing thermal stability. Or you can answer, which salt has highest thermal stability? I have given you 5 options because we are here to learn the concepts with magical tricks. Okay, please. So this is one of the finest concept you have seen. Okay, so please tell me which salt is the most thermal stable salt, or you can say the order. Please take your time and also give me with the logic. Okay, Vaibhav? Please take your time. This is very interesting question, very interesting question. Okay, because this 2 tricks, and sometimes people think, sir, I have to mug up the concept, I have to mug up the facts, then okay, but in inorganic chemistry also, if you go for the logical approach, you will answer the question. Please arrange following salt according to their decreasing thermal stability. So please tell me which is which salt has a strongest thermal stability. Means to break that carbonate, you have to provide maximum energy, maximum temperature is required. Please take your time, take your time. And if you have any doubt, please ask. And if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, I think Vaibhav came from his school, so he's busy. No problem. Okay. So please listen. And the way I will teach you the concept, that will give a lot of confidence for the other questions also. Okay, a status, Vaibhav. And those who are listening, please respond. Teaching is a two-way process. If you will interact, you will learn more. Okay, so let's come. So I should answer this, okay? Let's see. I will start it from the basics. So one of your favorite reaction in chemistry is acid plus base. Drop your pen and just listen. And you will love this logic. Acid plus base give salt plus water. You know it from junior class. In junior class, this was your favorite reaction. Okay, so I will take one example that is related with this. Okay, so let's see, I have taken H2CO3, carbonic acid. Okay, everyone, and I have taken NaOH. If you will react it, you will get Na2CO3 plus water. So this is the salt which is in the target question. Okay, now, so if you will balance it, there is 2 hydrogen and there is 2 NaOH. I hope now this is balanced. Okay, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 1 carbonate, 1 carbonate, 2 sodium, 2 sodium. Okay, now 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. Reaction is balanced. So many people will say, sir, this is acid, this is base, and this is salt, this is water. I know it from junior class. But now I will open your concept. My dear friend, everyone know from junior class, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Remember or not? Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature. You know this. Okay? Now, so before moving to this, now my dear friend, CO2 plus water, you have heard about the acid rain. So CO2 is the acidic oxide. So this is a acidic oxide, and that's why this is acidic in nature. Okay, and how it will form? Na2O plus water. Am I right, everyone? So this is basic oxide. So this is basic oxide. Now you got the magical idea. Now listen carefully. It means if empirically, if you will add this to a species, you will technically get this salt. Let's see. So this is Na2CO3. Am I right? This is clear. So technically, you are mixing an acid with base to get salt and removal of water. So one step more deeper, why we will directly focus on the acid and base? We have focused where you have mixed the water. So in a acidic oxide and in a basic oxide. So from today, we can say this salt is made up of one acidic oxide and one basic oxide. Am I right? Now we can say. And if I will teach you a lot of thermal stability questions, a whole class I will take if I supposed to do. Okay, so my dear friend, so from today can I say, sir, Na2CO3 is made up of Na2O plus CO2. So in this way, if I will take lithium carbonate, this is made up of Li2O plus CO2, and in same way there is cesium carbonate, so this is actually cesium oxide plus CO2. Okay, it means the salt is combination of one basic oxide, okay, this is the basic oxide, and one acidic oxide. Okay everyone, acidic oxide. All clear? All clear? Now, if acidic oxide is stronger and basic oxide is stronger, so salt is more stronger. So now, this is not going to decide because this is common to everyone. Okay, this is common. You know it from junior classes. If we will move to the downward, ionization energy decreases from lithium to cesium because they can release electron very easily. If they can release electron very easily, they are good metals. If their metallic character is high, their basic character is high. So down to the group, basic character, okay, so basic oxide character, basic oxide nature increases. Okay, what will happen? Increases. Am I right everyone? Increases. If we will move from top to bottom. Any issue? I hope this point is clear. Okay, now, so this is the strongest basic oxide. Okay, so that's why this is the strongest one. So if I will talk about thermal stability, then lithium carbonate will be the least, then sodium carbonate, then potassium carbonate, then rubidium carbonate, and then cesium carbonate. So this is the logic. Okay, so if in the 5 options this should be the answer, but if somebody will ask, and this is clear or not, please tell me everyone. Okay, and a lot of question was already asked on this in your JEE examination, every competition. I will tell you how. A lot of numerical was asked. Any issue? Any issue? And those who are new to this session, please like and share the session. Okay everyone, so let's move further. Okay, should we move further? Okay, if you have any doubt, please tell me. So basically I have started this question from the basics because how a acid and base combining to form a salt with water. So we have just deep inside, have seen the deep inside. Okay, so we have focused on the oxides from where this salt was made up. Okay, so we got this trend. Okay, everyone. So one of the finest question, and please remember, if somebody will ask, if lithium carbonate is heated, what was produced? Okay, sodium carbonate was heated, so what will produced? So K2CO3 was produced, then what will be produced? Then rubidium carbonate, okay, and then cesium carbonate. So because normal heating, so what should be the product? And you will find a lot of question on the basis of this in your JEE examination. So this is Li2O plus CO2. Okay, Li2O plus CO2. But please remember, if you will hit them, there is no effect actually. They will not dissociate to produce this type of things. So why I taught you? Because this is the generic feature. Okay, so no effect. So IIT has already asked question like this. If we have 20 gram of mixture, 20 gram of mixture of Na2CO3 and CaCO3. Okay, so let's suppose weight loss is this much gram. Okay, so maximum people what they will write, CaCO3 will produce CO plus CO2, it's okay. Now Na2CO3 will produce Na2O plus CO2, you will completely wrong. Okay, so these are the IIT question. These are the IIT questions. So in one question, I have taught you the maximum concept. So those who are new, please like and share the session. Everyone, please. Okay, any doubt? So because those who don't know the concept, what that will do? Sir, this is CaCO3. If I will hit them, I will get CO plus CO2. So weight loss due to CO2. And in same way, Na2CO3, if we will hit them, I will get Na2O plus CO2. So sir, total weight loss is due to this to CO2. This is totally wrong. Okay, they will not produce you this. They will remain as it is. And these are your IIT questions. Okay, so I can teach a lot of new concept related with the thermal stability, but everything requires times. Okay, so I can teach you what is the generic trend for carbonates, nitrates, sulfates. Okay, for every salt. All okay, everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt? So I have asked two questions. And this question was very, very interesting. A lot of physical chemistry question was asked on this particular question. Okay, so let's come to the previous one. I have skipped 2 or 3 questions. So all okay, everyone? So please take your time. So ground state energy of hydrogen atom and H2 molecules are this respectively. So dissociation of energy is to what? Finest question, finest in electron volt, please. So dissociation energy, very, very interesting question and very easy also. You should remember this, you should. Please tell me. Ground state energy of H atom and H2 molecule are given. You have to find in electron volt. Okay, and please like and share the session, but most important, you have to give the answer. Okay, please. So I will help you a little bit. So if you will dissociate, they will turn to the H gas. Please. So this is the reaction. Please, everyone. So energy of both the species is given. Just you have to check. So what is dissociation energy? Amount of energy required to break 1 mole of bond. Okay. Very fundamental question this is actually, very fundamental. So if enthalpy content is given, just you have to tell. So energy is directly given. Energy of the species is given. Please everyone. You can give the answer. In IIT, they used to ask this kind of question. This is a very easy question actually, if you know the concept. Please, everyone, let's see what should happen. In this case, okay, because no one is answering, today I will ask a lot of good questions, okay? So my dear friend, can I say, so dissociation energy in this case, so bond dissociation energy in this case is, okay, or you can say in this case enthalpy of reaction. So this is also a reaction. So what is the enthalpy of reaction exactly? Simply, okay, I will not take too much time. Enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant. So this is 2 into minus 13.6, because this is the given for one atom, so this is the 2 atom, minus of H2 species was 31.6, and your total unit is electron volt. Okay, electron volt. So this is actually, okay, so PG gamer, please. So this is actually 26, so 27.2, okay, 27.2 minus and plus 31.6 electron volt. So you will get approximately plus 4.5 electron volt. Clear? So A is the right answer. So A is the right answer. So very, very interesting question. Okay. And in class 11th, I think this is one of the most interesting question among, okay, so very cool question, and answer is 4.5. Okay, RPG, okay. Let's move to the next question. Okay, all done? Please. You should know this kind of questions. This is very easy. What is that? Which of the following graphs describe the relationship between H3O plus means H plus and OH minus in an aqueous solution at constant temperature? Fundamental question, very fundamental question. Please take your time. Very fundamental question. And if you are good students of, sir, please give your number. Not possible, my dear friend. Okay, after the completion of video, I will give you the Telegram link, no problem. Okay, so we have to follow some protocol. Okay, Saurabh. Okay, no problem, no problem. Please answer this question. So I have discussed 2 or 3 questions earlier. That was very good for also, okay, a student like you, okay? Please tell me. This is one of the finest question. Okay, so let's see. Saurabh, please. This is H2O. If they will dissociate, they will form like this. Okay. Please listen, this is one of the finest thing. Those people who are in class 10th and 9th, they want to prepare for IIT JEE from junior classes. You should focus on this type of questions, because what the things you have studied up to the 10th, okay, and what is the thing that is in 11, 12, so you have to bridge the concept. So these are the questions which will increase your interest. Okay, let's see how. So my dear friend, this is the pure liquid, so equilibrium constant will be simply H plus and OH minus, am I right? And you know, if temperature is constant, this value is constant. It means Kw is only function of temperature. If temperature is constant, Kw is not going to change. Saurabh, and you know this value, no need to mug up, but you know at 25 degrees centigrade, Kw is actually 10 to the power minus 14. That's why you know the formula pH plus POH equal to 14. That is only valid to the 25 degrees centigrade. If temperature is changed, pH plus POH equal to 14 is not valid. Okay, so in 10th class, just people force you to mug up pH and POH equal to 14. That is not valid for every condition. Even that is only valid for 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so these things you should increase your interest in class 10th. Okay, sir, when is the JEE exam? 1st January, in January 2026. was the first JEE Main's first attempt. Okay, this is clear, my dear friend. Now, if temperature is constant, it means we can say 10 to the power minus 14 equal to, okay, H plus into OH minus. So my dear friend, can I say this is like a constant, and this is X and this is Y. So you must know Y equal to K by X. If X is high, Y is low. If X is low, Y is high. Okay, so what is the nature of curve? Please tell me. Because X into Y is technically rectangular hyperbola. Okay, so only possible is D is the answer. So this is OH, this is H, so they will follow the rectangular hyperbola. Okay, so when you will increase the H plus, okay, this will OH will reduce. Okay, everyone. When OH is higher, H plus is very low. When H plus is higher, OH minus is very low. Am I right? So one of the finest question. Okay, so coolest question actually. So you have to increase your interest in this way. So though Singhalev, Saurav, so are you waiting for one of the finest question? And if you are good in class 9th, 10th student, this will increase your interest in your subject. Are you ready for that? Saurav, RPG, Bhavav, and Singhalev. So I am giving you one of the finest question because you told that you are in class 10th. Okay, but you are excited to prepare for the JEE. Okay, so I am going to give you one finest question. Ready for it? Okay, so let's enjoy. Just for your request, please answer this question. I will come back. Yes. Everyone know, and it will win your heart. And now you will get the answer what the things is required to prepare for IIT, what kind of logical ability you should require. Okay, everyone have seen the periodic table. You know, maximum number of element is 118. You know, everyone. So I am asking one question. So this periodic table has constructed on some rules. It is following some rules. Okay, everyone. So along the so with that rule, period number 1, okay, they have only 2 atoms. Period number 2, they have 8 atoms. Period number 3, they have 8 atoms. Everyone know this? 2, 8, 8. Okay. So in this way, periodic table was constructed. Okay. Now I am breaking one rule. So I am saying you. Okay. So in same logic, let's suppose more element were discovered. Okay, and now maximum number of period is 7th. If more element were discovered, so period number 8, 9, 10th will be introduced. So according to my question, if our periodic table consists of 10 period in place of 7, oh my God. So I have extended periodic table in the form of 3 periods. Okay, so according to that, the same logic, how many maximum elements can be accommodated in that periodic table? Answer is clear? Question is clear, sorry. So in place of 7, if our periodic table consists 10 period, so how many maximum number of element could be accommodated? Like now total element is 118, so how many total element will be accommodated? Question is clear, Saurabh? So this is one of the finest question. Okay, and I will give you answer in 2 ways. Please, everyone. So one of the coolest question. All okay? Saurabh, question is clear? Language is clear? Singhalev? So, question is that the logic on which the periodic table is constructed. Right now, it has only 7 period. So, let's extend the periodic table. So, in place of 7, we have created 3 extra periods. Okay? So, I am asking, now, how many maximum element could be fitted in that periodic table? Saurabh? You can ask this question to your school friends. So one of the finest question, please. Just try to give the answer. I will give you this question answer by 2 method, and both will win your heart. And that, okay, consider the electron capacity of each period, sir. And consider, so tell me everyone, Saurabh, That's why I'm asking, na? So tell me, right now answer is 118. That's why I have deleted the options, because I want to check the ability. Please answer, what should be the number? Yes, Saurav, your answer is right. So that was my question, na? So you have to count what is the electron capacity of that period. Please tell me. One of the finest question. So math is not go to the question, see the logics, apply the formula, put the value, get the answer. Math is all about analysis. Okay, how much information you can withdraw from that data. So that is actually mathematics. Okay, so how much you are good in analytical order. Okay, so Saurabh, should I answer? Say yes or no, or you will try. Everyone. Saurabh, should I answer? Okay, Saurabh, so because you have given me one statement, consider the electron capacity of each period. So that's why I have asked this question, what is the electron capacity of 8th, 9th and 10th? Then you will give the answer. Should I answer? Okay. I will give you two methods for this question. Okay. So please share and like the session. Also press the bell icon, because if you don't want to miss any notification. On Monday from 3 p.m. I always take the session, and in my class you will always get one of the few very interesting concepts. Okay. So let's start. My dear friends, please remember, if I will go for period number 1, first period contain 2 elements, okay? Second period contain 8, third contain 8, 4 contain 18, 5 18, 6 32, 7 32. So this is the just information. According to this periodic table, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. This is the number of atom. So we want to calculate what is in 8, what is in 9 and what is 10. I can answer this question by 3 to 4 method, but today I will teach you by 2. Okay, please listen. So you have heard about one formula 2n square, number of electron in a cell. But this is not the reason of it. So just I am finding the logic behind this number, how these numbers are created. Okay, if in 2n square, if n is equal to 1, so value is 2, and if n equal to 2, value is 8, if n equal to 3, so value is 18. So we are observing the pattern. Okay, n equal to 4, so this is 32. So in this way, n is equal to 5, so this will become 50. 5 square 25 into 2 50, and n is equal to 6, so it will become 72. So 6 into 6 36 into 2 72. Am I right? So if I will check the repetition pattern, so except 2, all are repeated for the 2 times. So now this will be 50 50, and this is for 72. Am I right? So up to 7 period, number of element was 18. So in 8 50, in 9 50, and this is 72. So answer will be 8 to 10 0 1. So 9 and this is 2. So 290 element will the answer. 290 elements could be accommodated. Am I right? How was this, Saurav? This is cool. And don't think due to 2n square this was the number. No, whatever the rule, on basis of that periodic table was constructed. So on that, because that rule is for following this particular methodology. So this is the number of atoms in particular atoms. So I hope this is very surprising question, and after learning this you will enjoy the concept of inorganic chemistry. So next, wait for the second number question method. Okay everyone, so write down the method number 2. So how many of you have problem, sir, how should I remember the number of element in a period? I forget, sir. So I will teach you the concept. Okay, many times IIT asked this question. So my dear friend, this is period number 1, this is 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so odd number is 1 3 5 7, so you will get 9. Okay, and even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I will give you formula for it. Okay, now, so total number of elements in odd number of period, like n equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. So n is the number of period actually. So n is the number of period. So please write down the formula. So 2 into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, if you will take n equal to 1, okay, so number of element will be 1 plus 1, 2, 2 by 2, 1, 1 square 1 into 2, 2. If we will put n equal to 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, 2, 2 square 4, 4 into 2, 8. N equal to 5. Okay, so you will get 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2, 3, 3 square 9 into 2, 18. N equal to 7. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2, 4, 4 square 16 into 2, 32. N equal to 9. Okay, so 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 2, 5, 5 square 25 into 2. So this is 50. So this you want to calculate. Okay, so this is n equal to 9. Am I right? Now, please come to this segment. So what is the number of elements in even number of period? So formula will be 2 into n by 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, now put the value. So if you will put n equal to 2, okay, you will get 2 by 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 square 4 into 8. N equal to 4. So 4 by 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square 9 into 2, 18. N is equal to 6. 6 by 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 square 16 into 2, 32. Okay, so n is equal to 8. Okay, so 8 by 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 square 50 into 25 into 50. So n is equal to 10. So 10 by 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 square, 36 into 2, 72. So this was your required answer. I hope, so if you will add 118 to 50, 50 and 72, you will get 290. So if you are preparing for IIT JEE, you should remember this kind of logic. And you should enhance your logical ability, thinking ability in this way. So IIT is not tough. Okay, so basically what is in your NCERT syllabus, they only ask that. But interpretation should be very strong. Okay, many people think if I will mug up the just the language of NCERT, I will underline the NCERT. No, interpretation should be strong. That's why many people do excel in the NCERT board exam, but they fail to clear their IIT JEE exam, because question was very direct in a board exam. They will ask you, what is this process? Explain with the examples. So maximum student of the country we can explain. Okay, it might be possible some error in the some areas. Okay, but medical will not, IIT JEE will not ask in this way. IIT will ask you, they will frame the question. If this is this, this is what is this? So you have to think. That's why question interpretation is very interesting and very important. So please enhance your logical ability in terms of what you know, what is asking in the question, and how you interpret your knowledge to get the answer what is asked in the particular questions. Am I right, everyone? So how was the class? So I have taken a few questions. Okay, I have some another lecture. Okay, I hope you all are enjoyed. I hope you all are enjoyed. So my dear friend, please say like and share the session, and after completion the session, please comment in the comment box how you like the session. If you are interested to know this kind of tricks, okay, please comment in the comment box. Okay, everyone. So I have okay. So we will see you next some discussion. So please, we are here to discuss some good concept and question for the score examination and JEE preparation. Please, if you have not registered the score examination, please go to the srichaitanyascore.com and register for this course, this exam. You have possibility to win 2.5 crore of prize money and 350 crore of a scholarship, along with a lot of exciting gadgets, NASA trips, and 100% scholarship. And this is for all students of above than class 3. So please also refer to your younger brothers and sisters and your friends. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Okay, and don't forget to register for the score. So this is the website name, srichaitanyascore.com. Okay, and exam date are 18 September and 12th October. Link is given in the description box. Okay, everyone. So actually, this is the national level of a scholarship examination for 3 to 12 grade, conducted by Sri Chaitanya. Online, offline, both formats are available. Okay, so goal is to reward good talents. Okay, so please, if you will appear in this exam across the country, okay, you will have chance to compete with the India brightest students. Okay, and you will get rank according to the all India examination level. Okay, so every student should apply to this from the srichaitanyascore.com. Okay, so these are the dates. 28, 26 September, a score date are, first date is 28 September, last date to register is 26 September, and second test date is 12th October, and last date to register is 10th October. So exam date depends on exam center you select. Okay, everyone. So up to 5th class, 60-minute test, 7th up to 7th, 75, and for 8th to 11th, 120 minutes will be given to you. Okay, everyone. So please, you can follow us on Instagram. Okay, join the Telegram. You will get the PDF and a lot of study materials. Okay, so see you in the next discussion, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this discussion. Okay, and please don't forget to like and share the session, and also subscribe to our channel. Okay, so please comment after the completion of this lecture which question you like the most. Okay, and which kind of concept discussion you are expecting from us, so we will deliver in that next discussion. So I'm waiting for comments. Okay, everyone, bye bye. See you in the next discussion. Bye.